Cedric Lecuyer and Jean Hebert. And we are ready for hockey. Here we go. Faceoffs won by the Islanders. And the puck will be shoveled into the Kane zone, but it'll be picked up and worked around by Drury, trying to get it to Orlov. A long stretch pass, springing Svechnikov, and Svechnikov was taken off of his skates by Riley, and the fans want a penalty, nothing provided. And now the Islanders coming back the other way, working it in. Kochetkov with a save, and an even bigger save, and then a shot from inside the blue line, and they'll score. As all havoc broke loose, and the Islanders kept playing.
The Islanders counter the other way. Kochetkov makes two excellent saves.
For the Hurricanes, will take the draw. And there's one back. Orlov's able to chop it to Chatfield. Kane cycling with it. Opportunity for Orlov out in front. Sorokin makes a save. Chip through, they'll score! Jarvis and Teravainen with some net front. And the Canes kept playing. And we're tied at 1.
Well, this was advantageous because I think it was a good non-call. I did not think that was a trip like the previous situation. That's a difference between he and the previous coach, who has a long history with Barry Trotz. He wants him to get more involved in transition.
And the Islanders win the draw. Spinning shot, they'll score. Brock Nelson in the high slot just let it fly, and it beats Kochetkov. And the Islanders get the lead back.
And the face-off guy, Engvall, goes to the front of the net. He's boxed out by Jack Drury.
He'll try to go cross corner. Knocked down out in front by Bolduc, the rookie. He'll get it to Barzal. And that Barzal wheeling through the middle of the ring. They change it with the lead back for Dobson, and it'll get past Kochetkov. The Canes netminder got a piece, and it rolled over and crossed the goal line, and the Islanders have a 3-1 lead.
Former Vancouver Canuck Bo Horvat have developed the chemistry that was desired when the deal was made. Carolina is not able to cut it off at their own blue line, which I often talk about, and then there's just too much sag when you look at all of this coverage. And then you have a goaltender that is fighting it as good as he's been.
And Seth Jarvis will line up against J.G. Pajot. You have to be alert against this Islander penalty-killing team, though. Holmstrom has 5 shorthanded goals. Now Svechnikov in the bumper position, but he gets across. They score! Sebastian Aho on the power play. And Carolina has cut into the Islanders' lead. It's 3-2.
Was going to fire the puck. Wasn't able to do so because of the stick coming from behind from Pajot. He could have delivered a good thunderous hit on Nelson. You spent a lot of time in your own end.
Now Burns will lose it to Lee. Lee trying to center this one, and he will. Barzal back up top, they'll score! One-timer hammered by Riley. It gets through Kochetkov, and the Islanders have their 2-goal lead back. It's 4-2.
Best edges are right there. Are both -3. But this is where they've got to be part of a comeback on the back end.
Indeed, as Necas will kick it to himself. He's got some room, Necas, behind the net. A little too far for the wrap. Dropped it back. Slavin, he scores! Ring the bell. Carolina within a goal.
Blazes it by Sorokin on the blocker side.
He looks like he's got plenty of energy, does the Islanders' Matt Barzal through the neutral zone. Laid off for Horvat. Now back Dobson, side of the net. Lee puts a shot through and he'll score. Rolls to the far post, beating Kochetkov, and the Islanders' 2-goal lead is restored. It's 5-3 New York.
He's going to get his 3rd assist. No, he won't, because Dobson and Horvat will, and he just can't give up that goal.
Necas back for Shea. Necas, he'll play that one. He spins Dobson around, and now a little chance for Nason, and he scores! The self-assist for Steph Nason, and the Canes power play clicks. It's 5-4, Canes down a goal.
But Nason quickly pounces on the puck and beats Sorokin on the short side. Puck was on edge.
Stahl wins it clean, back to Burns. Burns tries to get it to the slot, tied up by Palmieri. 1 second left. Pajot sends it the length of the